Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can get Fidelity Bank token. So here's the step number 1. So to activate the soft token application, you have to first download Fidelity token from the Google Play Store or Apple Play Store. So you just have to search the Fidelity token, which is this one, and tap on install. Now, once it is installed, you can open the application and then log in using your online banking username and password. Once you're done inputting the details, just tap on sign in. And next is so after that, you will be prompted to answer one of your security questions. Then right after that, you can then set a PIN. So from here is the security question. So you just have to answer that one, and then you will then be asked to set a PIN. So you just have to confirm. And next is you have to pay the one-time activation fee, which is this one here. So this is mandated by the CBN, so subsequent reactivations are free. So you just have to pay this one-time activation fee, and once you're done, just tap and confirm. Next is once confirmed, the application will then generate your one-time passwords or the OTPs for online transactions. So here is the OTP or the one-time password. So you just have to copy this one, and once you open it, you just have to copy this one. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!